Jack Stampede Night Simon, and this is part 3 of my fireworks stash, and this is mine right now, and these are my artillery shells. Well, they're not all of them, but some of them, and then Roman candles and water dynamite. And this is my cousin. His fireworks stash is in this video too. This is my stuff too. These little parachutes, little 2-color spaceship, sparklers, my Roman candles, and a couple of my rockets, and my Roman candles tube. Then I had the black mamba. I just bought that tonight. There's 2 kits that come in it. And then this is part of my Pro 4 kit that was on the pool table. And then I have the King of Bling by Pyro Predator, and then the Golden Bear lethal weapon, then 2 48-shot color pearls. Then I have some Chigger chasers in 3 packs. I have 36 of them. Then I have Morgan's Revenge, and then Magic Crystal. And that's it for my stash. Now we're moving on to my cousin's. He spent about $60 today, and he got some free from his brother. He's got the King of Bling just like me. Then he's got Desert at Night, 48-shot pearl, 2 tanks, a big tank, Crazy Aces, Roman candles, 5-shot, one of the Gatlin pack, Roman candles, Boomtown, Roman candle, and a missile. Then Whistling Horse artillery shells. Then Pyro Predators, 1 dozen artillery shells, 4 night parachutes, 3 electric sparklers, his rockets, his 2-color spaceships, then all of the rest of his mortars. And he's got a canister and a double somewhere. Oh, this is double. And he's got one of my Pro 4 cannons. And that's my fireworks stash. Please comment and responses. And hope you liked my video. Alright, bye.